Welcome to the University of Texas at San Antonio, home to more than 34,000 students specializing in health, cybersecurity, energy, and sustainability. Numerous housing opportunities are available for students on campus, like Guadalupe and Alvarez Hall. Students can also choose apartment-style accommodations at University Oaks. Established in 1969, UTSA offers 67 bachelor's, 69 master's, and 24 doctoral degree programs. It is the largest university in the San Antonio metropolitan region, with 4 campuses across the city, with roughly 85% of the student population at the main campus. The remainder is spread across the downtown, Hemisphere, and Park West campuses. The university encourages an environment of dialogue and discovery where integrity, excellence, inclusiveness, respect, collaboration, and innovation are fostered. Donning the school's official colors of blue and orange, the UTSA Roadrunners are part of the NCAA Division I Conference and have hosted 17 NCAA D1 championships since 1997. UTSA also embraces multicultural traditions and serves as a center for intellectual and creative resources, as well as a catalyst for socioeconomic development and the commercialization of intellectual property for Texas, the nation, and the world. Looking forward to seeing you on campus soon!